Managing inventory for your vendors can be a real hassle. What if there is a smarter way? Manage everything from Google Sheets, like vendors, products, reports, and all from your spreadsheet. Wondering, how can you do that? Your next move starts here. Let's dive in about FlexStock Multivendor Add-On features. After installing the FlexStock plugin, the first place you should head to is the FlexStock Add-On section. This is where you'll find the FlexStock Multivendor Add-On, a powerful tool that allows you to manage all your vendors and their products directly from Google Sheets. To get started, activate the add-on by following the tutorial video above. Once activation has been completed, go straight to the settings page and make sure the multi-vendor sync option is toggled on. This is essential for enabling the sync between WooCommerce and your Google Sheet. When you're ready to manage your vendors, click on Dashboard to access your multi-vendor admin panel. From there, select G Sheet Sync. If you haven't connected your Google Sheet yet, simply follow the tutorial above to set it up. Once connected, your products will begin syncing automatically without you needing to trigger it manually each time. From the settings, you now have complete control over your sync preferences. Vendors can add brand new products directly from Google Sheets. Vendors can use formulas inside the sheet to calculate, sort, or automate data. They can bulk edit WooCommerce product data in one go, instead of changing them one by one. Vendors can filter exactly which products they want to show in the Google Sheet. Sync product SKUs, short descriptions and long descriptions, display product attributes, show product sales counts, product display images, and even product URLs. They can show the product category, product tags, and also sync custom fields just the way they want. All of this can be done directly from Google Sheets, whereas before they had to do each update manually by going into every single product page in WooCommerce. Once you're done exploring these options, you can head back to the FlexStock add-on settings where more customization awaits. You can change the vendor dashboard menu label from here, and once saved, it will be instantly updated on the dashboard. As an admin, you can control how often the data syncs. Syncing happens at regular intervals to keep everything running smoothly. And that's how FlexStock turns Google Sheets into your ultimate WooCommerce control center. Ready to take control? Get FlexStock now and sync smartly your vendors with Multivendor Add-On.